anja akashwani itanagar digin nan lai kangin ke maka bajik samra kin kamalai kosong fola ke monolumpur dokin kamalai kosong krami toksit ka
kin arnachara retired lieutenant general KT Parnaik ka
dearness allowance na dearness to live anja an man yatong lai le
anja an glad bung hai kelkut an
budadala
arnachara sutta sabdane ka pane ke support dapit dane ka right
social media hela ka thaupu
wansau ka
an haila ka wan kin state gong
kin union minister
government employees
tokan
pensioners ra all india service officers ali kin state gong le
Rajbawan
anja ansan kang
itanagar hai kin lieutenant general KT Parnaik governor
tong lai le ka
arnachara
lai
wana
dearness
urbanization dan he prai ka tawdune ka khai thau ka
keshi than mandune ka thau pudadala
kin arnachara home minister mama natun ka
to an
ganra
bula
Yurzum Trust Office itanagar hai inaugurate kat ka dune ka khai thau ka wansau ka
in state governor Lieutenant General
Convention for Women
Raju Bhavan hai kin
elected
state
representative
Tagit Sora
Panjawan itanagar hai election suru samla dune ka khai thau ka
antim kat ke vero mia lai ngin singe mak
wansau ka
ladak hai kang
kin arnachara minister Ojing Ta Singh
walia taw hai
Panchayat Raj Minister
kumong gong lep
ka Panchayat Raj Review Meeting boleng saman wanjawan chair kat ka dune ka khai thau ka
sit ka dune ka thaupu
wansau ka
Rakin State Chief Secretary Manish Kumar
Wikivi Chimpuli
Police Anand Mohan Kermengin
Vijay Hi Vijay 2025 Youth Leadership Program saman dune ka khai thau ka
District Gunglei Shomo Development saman bo sit ka
wansau ka
anja ansan wan sit ka lo thon taning leng taning da khaupu
zero hai NCC First AP Arunachal Pradesh Battalion wansan ka social service camp phaila kat ka tawdune ka khai thau ka zero lower Subansiri district hai dune ka khai thau ka wansau ka bikers san ka biking gear san ka giling hai
communication
ke pangla pass hai gyar ka taw to gyar phai ka taw dune ka
lau hinking tar mo le fa samang le win ka participate ka
wansau ka Asia Cup 2025 trophy
Ministry of Communication
controversy samla dune ka khai thau kin India ra
one state dang hai officers
khilari san ka trophy one pe ga taw mala kat ka taw dune ka khai thau ka wansau hi anja an controversy samla dune ka khai thau wansau ka
Arunachal Pradesh gungra
Indian Meteorological Department ka
sam kong dune ka lai chu wan thau puda
red alert issue kat ka taw dune ka khai thau ka
changlang hai
san hai wan bangchi wang kram kan mang
state sports academy
khai thau ka ran
development kat
Surashtra na Kutch Gujarat hai anak hai wang kram samang dune ka khai thau ka wansau ka North East ra nai Arunachal Meghalaya Nagaland Sikkim Kampui North East state hai wang pro so mang dune ka khai thau ka wan hai dan khoram so mang dune ka khai thau ka
karate championship
wansau lakin kaman fa lai kung phai mun to la chong san tan sai kya chi
gra ga talmo nat mo ra kara we sa tai matau ra ansan phai gra ga talmo tam man kemesa to khile tai matau da khrepu ra ansan phai gra kin coach tai matau ra ka ansan phai technical team anja ansan ne gra he station matau da khrepu da dat la ra bangin wen nan lai kangin grin anja anat pan Nachimok some Air Force Day saman lang wan kin mechuka Arunachal Pradesh ra Indian Air Force wrakara Indian Army nak rune ka anja Air Force Day anja anman celebrate ka paning da khrepu Itanagar Meteorological Center helaka anja yellow alerts pheu pu anja East Siang Lower Dibang Valley Dibar Valley Anjau Namsai Changlang Tirap wrakara Londing district anja ansan hai wang titi sop mang wrakar tamang pat mang dane ka khrepu da dadla